Okay, number one, we're going to solve this rational equation. We have 1 over 3 minus 4 over 25x. And then that is equal to 8 over 25. And then minus 1 over 15x. All right, so if you look at the factors of the denominator, this factors, if you look at prime factors, that is 5, 5, and x. Okay, this is just 5 times 5. This is just 3, it's already prime. And then this is 3 times 5. Looks like my pen is running dry. Okay, so all the denominators are made up of 3s, 5s, and x. So we want all of these to be the same. So each term would have to have a minimum 2 5s, an x, and then a 3, looks like. So our LCD, making all these be the same, would be 5 times 5 times 3 times x, which would be 75x. That would be our least common denominator. So we're going to multiply both sides by 75x and simplify this and see what we have left. I might just write it like this so you can see what's canceling out and then multiply the rest of it together. That might help. So the left side I'm going to multiply by 5, 5, 3, x. I'm going to multiply this 1 over 3 minus 4, 25x. And then this is equal to, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. 5 times 5 times 3 times x. We're going to multiply that by the 8 over 25 minus the 1 over 15x. All right, so it's important to know where these came from. So notice, 1 over 3, when I multiply this whole expression, the 3 is going to cancel. So I'm going to be left with 5 times 5 times x times 1. I'm going to write that down here. And later on, I'm going to do it a little bit more mathematically. I won't show all of these little steps. All right, when I multiply this whole expression times the 25, or the 4 over 25x, 25x factors to 5 times 5 times x. So the 2 5s and the x will cancel out, leaving us with 3. That 3 will get multiplied times the 4. So minus 3 times 4. All right, then equals, on the other side, we'll do the same thing. 5 times 5 will cancel out with the 25. That's where that came from, leaving us with 3 times x times 8. And then on this side, the 15, well, I left the x off, 15x. So the 3, 5x will cancel out, 3, 5x, which will leave us with 1, 5. So 5 will get multiplied times this negative 1. So minus 5 times 1. So this is what happens when you find that least common denominator, multiply through both sides. This is what we're left with. So I'm going to simplify. This is 25x minus 12 equals, this is 24x minus 5. All right, we're going to combine like terms. I'm going to subtract 24 from both sides, 24x that is. And then I'm going to add 12 to move the 12 over. So subtracting here will give me just 1x. 12 will cancel out to 0, equals, that cancels out to 0, and this will give us positive 7. So x equals 7 is our final solution. Okay, you should want to go back and plug that in just to verify and check and see if this works out.